Welcome to the Online English British Tutor YouTube channel. This is Lesson 2, Pronouns. This lesson's learning objectives are 1. To understand what is a pronoun, 2. To identify different pronouns, 3. To create sentences with pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words which replace nouns. Noun examples include table, chair, pen. I have got a YouTube channel and on there I have done a video on nouns, so please check that out. If we don't have pronouns, we would have to keep repeating our nouns, and that would make our sentences very repetitive. Pronouns are usually short words. Task. What is wrong with the sentence below? Elizabeth put the coat on because Elizabeth was cold. Please pause the video at this stage and have a go at finding out what is wrong with that sentence. Task answer. It should be Elizabeth put the coat on because she was cold. If we had two Elizabeths in the same sentence, it wouldn't make the sentence flow, and also it would make it sound a bit odd. So in that case we use a pronoun, and in this case we have used she. Personal pronouns. This is for people. So when we're talking about people in a sentence, we tend to use these pronouns. And the word bank includes I, you, she, he, we, they, me, you, him, her, us, them. Someone may ask you, where has Elizabeth gone? She has gone to the shop to get some milk. Task. Can you write a sentence starting with the pronoun I? We also have some personal pronouns that we can use for things in a sentence. This time the word bank includes the words it, they, and them. Someone may ask you, when did England win the World Cup? They last won the World Cup in 1966. Can you now, as a task, write a sentence starting with it? Application time. Copy these sentences using the pronouns from the box to fill in the missing words. Application time answers. 1. The children were sad when they were told off. Rachel, who is a girl, said she was fed up. Do you like chips? Yes, I do. Pass the ball to me, Tom shouted. Katie asked Harry to give her a sweet. Please leave comments below or visit my Facebook page by searching for Online English British Tutor. Please share with family and friends, and thank you for watching.